Hi, my name is Areli, and I'm a part of the Chesterfield Square Community Block Club. Our mission is to improve the quality of life of residents through engagement.
We'll be hosting a bike skills workshop for kids led by our partner Walk and Rollers. We'll also have bike technicians, DAG riders from Western Avenue who will be on site to provide bike repairs for the community.
All of our community members and neighbors are people who are genuinely inspired to create a better future for the next generation to come.